Good day, everybody. Welcome once again on my tutorial. In this video, we're going to look at how you can use pandas and AI on the go. If all of us know how popular ChatGPT is, and for you to be able to load a data set on ChatGPT, you have to be on the paid version. If you're not on the paid version, you will not be able to load any information or any data to it. All you have to do when you're using the free version, which is 3.5, all you have to do is just ask it question and then you get a reply. But there's this library that is called Sketch. Sketch allows you to ask question on your own data set. There is no you are not going to put any API key, any GPT API key, or when you're working with it. All you need to do is just load your data set, ask it categorical question or any question that you want from that data set, and it provide a solution to it. Let's go so that let me show you how it works. Okay, this is our installation package, so you can use pip to install it. This is Sketch, so we'll now import it. Let's go. Okay, let's view our data set. I think I commented that out. Okay, this is our data set. This is data set of chess players and their annual and weekly salary. And then, okay, let's now ask it which column are categorical data. Okay, which of them are categorical data? So we now ask it which of them are categorical data. Let's see. Okay, it's not telling me that players, nation, position, age, weekly wages are all categorical data. Okay, you can see now that these layers are categorical data, and you can now see understand which data that is different from the other data. Okay, now we can now as well ask it what is the shape of the data frame. We can ask it what is the shape of the data frame. Let's see what it's going to do for us. Okay, now saying that the shape of the data frame is 28 by 8. So we now have 28 rows and then 8 columns. So we cannot ask it, okay, which column has n is. Let's say if there's any and not a number in our data set. Okay, wait for it. Okay, now saying none of the columns in the data frame have a not has a number value. Or column have 23 rows with unique values. That means that we don't have any not a number. There is no way, there's no place that there's not a number. If there was to be a not a number, you point it out and then you might ask it, how can I remove it or how can I deal with it? It is going to provide the solution. Okay, now let's see how we can. There's another way you can actually do something with it. You can say how to. That's maybe how to visualize, how to sort, how to do maybe p value or maybe how to pivot your values. And then okay, let's say now how to visualize the players and their respective age. So if you now ask it how to visualize, let's see if it's going to provide a solution. So it now provided the solution. So all we have to do is now we copy the solution, we paste it. I think you have to do as you're working with it. There are so many places that it will provide you an information and tell you maybe you have to provide more information for yourself. But we don't need this. I think this will make us run into an error. We'll remove this place that is trying to tell us to actually provide more information on it. Then we can now say let's run it. As you can see, you have already plotted. It gave us the graph and how we can plot it, and you can see now we have plotted it here. So Sketch is a very handy library. If you're not using ChatGPT 4, like if you cannot be able to use the interpreter, the popular interpreter that everybody is talking about, so you can easily use Sketch and maybe load your data to it, ask it question and see how it's going to provide information. I believe that the library is not really 100%, but at least it's very handy and it helps in so many ways, as in like help in a way that make you to understand what you are really working with. So this is all I have for you guys. Thank you and God bless you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for it to grow. Good day.